There are power outlets for small electrical devices such as cellular phones throughout the cabin. The lower console tray and the back side of the front center console. If so equipped, the rear cargo area also has an outlet. Please see the manufacturer's owner's manual supplied with your device for detailed information when connecting the device to an outlet. The power outlets are powered only when the ignition switch is in the on position. To use a power outlet, open the cap. Leaving a device connected to the power outlet with the ignition left in the on position with the engine off can discharge the battery and the vehicle may not start. If so equipped, this is the 120-volt power outlet for the cargo area and is rated at 150 watts and 1.25 amp maximum. Use the 120-volt power outlets only with the engine running to avoid discharging your vehicle battery. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.